we are sleeping at free. Damn food, me call on a kick like Jackie Chan. Rolex, just if in a million, high grade. Where you get it from up a Barbican road. 10 cars, giving it a bang bang. Italy, no brother, we no shop at Thailand. Out there, every gal to whistle. 100 guys pack up your so the thing done. Ravens, you a be a chacha boy in a the gang. Be a chacha boy, be a chacha and you go away. Chacha boy, be a chacha.
I don't know if I need to lose it. Stomach I get a little away, but these are the contestants of losing it, and that's the boss over there. And of course, Sim and I. So, 3-legged race. Why? Because it's 4-leg, but it's a 3-legged race. So we are supposed to go down there, pick up things and come back here. So we win already. We win already.
I wouldn't say that.
I
would just not.
Huh?
I believe in my fellow contestants.
I believe in them too, you know.
Especially the red team.
My party is
if you've been watching, you realize the red team, they win a lot. So that's probably what we're looking for this one.
What am I going to say a while ago? So we're not going to win?
No, you're not going to win.
Exactly.
So you have to win them.
Introduce everyone down the road here.
Okay, Malika.
Jason. This is Yannick and I'm Andre.
Yeah.
I'm
Why
Gavin
Yannick here?
and High Sweet Pepper. Couldn't make it this morning, but big up yourself.
Yeah, well, I call Yannick monkey face. So that is monkey face.
What do you call him?
You know, monkey. She's just beautiful, but we just like her. So we ready, sir? So who going to set us up? Why we just go about with business? Tanya? Come, Samarone.
After 3.
Gavin.
Oh, you want me to set them off? All right, everybody. On your mark, get set, go. All right, and they're off.
Is that strategy? I see you know.
Speedy as you want.
Come now. You make them
Drop it.
No, almost have it. Don't make them beat you. Don't make them beat you. I can't tell they do this a lot.
Look, nobody take up. Take time.
Pull them down like you pull down the boots.
No, man.
One.
Only reason you want to take up, no, let's take up 2 things at a time.
Hold on, I'm possible.
No, we win already.
You win already?
Yeah, step 2 fast.
Taking up stuff.
You have to be creative with the rules.
No.
Come on, Andre, let's go.
No, wait.
1, 2, 1.
I don't understand in this game.
Fast.
1 at a time.
I will lock them a while ago.
Hold on, I give you no give up.
And then when we come down, we have one thing and them have 2.
1 at a time.
Typical Andre fashion.
This game is not working. I think the
This
competition
is
is over here.
limping.
You seen this?
What now, man?
1.
Come, just take up everything. Andre, just grab everything up there. Just get everything. Take up the railing. Take out the barrier and carry it back.
Yeah, man, we put our things in our game whenever in our game. Let me know. Oh, what's up?
No, fair is fair. Went out the
Hold
winner
on.
from the first
I
time.
will show you what is fair. Come back here. Leave it. Aye. Let me just follow it.
We won. Yes, we won.
I think it was probably the red team. Probably.
No. Because we lap on the first team. I want to come back down with the first corner after we lap on. Everybody have 2 things down here.
Leave it. Give you a little head start. Let me just give you a little head start a while ago.
Impossible.
There you go.
Cheating.
When is losing it coming on?
Losing it airs Monday at 8:30 with a repeat on Wednesday at 8:30.
Fantastic.
But you can also watch it on One Spot Media.
Yeah, man, and good luck, yeah?
Thank you.
Losing
I
it
appreciate that.
contestants just lose.
Yes, we won.
They losing
Good
it,
job.
just lose.
High five.
So we're going for a break. And we come back in just a little while.
Sun is hot.
No, it's coming right back. You don't know these things.
Bad man out and stunting. Kyle and tick like dumpling. Girl with big jumping. Action ready for the dumplings. Fresh like Portland. Truby just cast at the Portland. Just calculate the total. Now the money make me get anti